time for a great adventure. I'm really excited to do a, what do you call it? Do a kickflip! Take two.
Oh, hello there. I'm Jack Black. Welcome to my humble abode. Today, we shall be doing a do a kickflip.
Do a kickflip! Do a kickflip!
Help me find a kickflip.
Kickflip! Kick a do flip.
You know the drill. I'm Jack Black. I'm doing a do a kickflip video. We're gonna drive around my neighborhood searching for kickflips, and only the finest kickflips will receive a special reward. A very limited edition Jack Black kickflip deck. Do you know what this show needs? A theme song.
Kickflip, woman, at the end of the day. Do a kickflip, then I get down and pray. What the hell going down on all the day? You got a kickflip, lady.
Needs work.
Gotta find a skater to do a kickflip. Come on, baby, do a kickflip.
That's not a good song. Remember that time when Trejo was yelling, do a kickflip?
Hey, can you do a kickflip?
No one said you do a kickflip, and it's a good thing because I'm pretty sure he couldn't do a fucking kickflip. But I love that Trejo. Machete. Oh, you want to know if I can kickflip? Of course I can kickflip. Dude, I've been kickflipping since before Koston. Where do you think Koston learned how to kickflip? I teach kickflips on the side. It's kind of a side gig. Tell you the truth, we've been driving for a while now and haven't seen one skater. Los Angeles area dangerously low on kickflippers. It's a kickflip emergency. There's a movie I'm gonna star in, Flip Loose, and it's about a town that has outlawed kickflips. I'm just like an awesome guy that comes to town with my skateboard and my backpack, and I just start kickflipping. And I fall in love with another skater.
Ooh-wee, for me, shake a little funny for me. Loose, flip loose, everybody cut, flip.
Cut, flip, loose. Ah, cut, flip, loose. Ah, oi. I wasn't paying attention, I'm a bad driver. I just cut a dude off, and he looked pretty intense, so he might be experiencing some road rage right now, and I think he's packing heat. Luckily, we got ludicrous mode. Let's get the fuck out of here, go! Dude's got ludicrous as well, apparently. He's right on my fucking tail. No problem. Fucking serpentine, excuse me. And we're clear. Oh my God, dude, this is where Matt Berger did a kickflip, backside tail, backside kickflip out. Check this spot. You heard of Google Maps? This is Google kickflips. It's a lot like fishing, like deep sea fishing, when you're looking for that perfect marlin. You drive all over town, you're just hoping to catch that one magical marlin. Make Eric Koston proud. He's waiting for me on shore to see my marlin. Then at the end of the day, I come back with Fugazi. Nothing. All I got is one of the greatest theme songs of all time. Do a kickflip at the end of the day. Do a kickflip as you're skating away. Do a kickflip, then you get down and pray. Do a kickflip, I can take back to Koston, yeah! They're punking me, they're hiding out there. All right, very funny. Come on out. There's a kickflip shortage, it's real. You might be wondering who's the oldest person to ever do a kickflip. And it's Bill Clinton. I keep on saying things that just come to the top of my mind, hoping that they'll be diamonds. It's all shit. That's the magic, that's the game. You can't be afraid of hours of shit coming out of your mouth. You gotta keep on swinging for the fences, because eventually a diamond will come. Don't be afraid of swimming through oceans of shit. We're pulling up to Kingswell Skate Shop. Hey, I'm doing a kickflip video.
Nobody can do a kickflip here, we're all old.
Come on!
You know what we got a shortage of? Switch, crooked, grind, slappy.
No problem. I'm gonna park in the back. I'll see you in a minute with a switch, crooked, grind, slappy. Get the fuck out of here. I don't know how to do that shit. Calling all kick flippers. Dude, there's like a kickflip shortage in Los Angeles. If there's any kick flippers out there listening, do a kickflip! Please? Dude, it is a dry white season. Cannot find any kick flippers. Dude, if there's no skater here at Chevy Chase right now, then this is like the beginning of some kind of weird horror film. Last kickflip on Earth kind of shit. And then I'm gonna be taking it up to DEFCON 5. Lord, oh God, King of the universe. Please find us a kick flipper. Do not let me fail on this mission. Oh God! Help me find a kick flip. Dude, this is the sweet spot. This is gonna be so easy, like shooting fish in a barrel. Do a kick flip. Oh yeah! But I saw a fingertip touch. Oh no, but then he fell off. Do a kick flip.
Whoa, Jack Black, what
You
the
fucking
fuck
did
is
it, dude.
going, man?
Dude, honestly, for real, we've been driving for 2 hours. We could not find a fucking kickflip.
That's what we do.
You fucking pull a sweet ass kickflip. Jack Black, do a kickflip. Limited dish.
Limited dish.
Yeah.
Right here. Right here, dog. That's awesome. Best day ever.
Mission accomplished. Yo, Elijah. Elijah, can you hook me up a, do a kickflip? Oh, hell yeah! That's just what the doctor ordered. Thank you, Elijah.
All right.
You truly are a mysterious spirit. What's up, dude?
Is that Jack Black?
Yeah.
Bro, what the fuck?
Yo, oh my God, he's climbing the fence. No, wait, don't climb the fence. I need it. Oh, shit.
What's up with Tenacious D?
The D is rocking.
How's Kyle?
He's doing kickflips. You were on the grass just standing there with your deck, and I was thinking, I wonder if he could do a kickflip on the grass.
I'm down, bro.
Dude,
Grass?
okay, we're watching. He's gonna attempt the impossible. Fucking grass kickflip. Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! Oh my God, he's hopping it again. Fucking tremendous.
Yo.
Hell yeah, dude.
Bro, thank you, man.
From the grass kickflip.
Right there.
Oh, dude, skateboarder. Dude, do a kickflip. Oh, denied. Do a kickflip. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh shit, give me a board. Dude's gotta catch a bus.
I fucking love you guys.
Go.
I would have gotten that kickflip.
Love you, bro.
Issues, bro. Thank you.
Dude, you sacrificed the body. I appreciate
Fuck
you.
yeah.
Don't miss that bus. Oh, dude, look at this sweet park. Dude, kick flipper. Do a kick flip. Oh God, they passed us so fast. You got one for me? Oh yeah.
For you, my
Get over here. Get a free dick, my friend.
Really?
Yeah, hell yeah, you earned it.
Ah, thank
Limited
you.
dish.
Thank you, bro.
I got an idea to get some golden content. What we're gonna do, we're gonna jump on the 101, take the 110 north, jump on the 5, and jump off at the Home Depot. There's always some kick flips going down under the overpass.
Under the bridge downtown, I did some kick flips there. Under the bridge downtown, I did some kick flip there. Under the bridge downtown, I found some lyrics there. Not seeing any skaters, but it's getting hungry here. Something on here with a little bit of kick flip and a little bit of flip kick.
Girl, you got to do a kick flip, a kick flip, a kick flip, a kick flip. You better never let it go.
There's that one spot in Frogtown. I just want to go back to it. There was no one there earlier. We got a couple live ones here. Yo, dudes, do a kick flip. Oh, shit! That's what I'm talking about. Dude, guess what? That was the best kick flip of the day.
Oh, dude, I made your son a rug.
No shit!
Yeah.
Jack Black, what's your name?
Mingus Gamble.
Mingus Gamble. Dude, you earned this and then some, dude.
Fuck yeah.
Limited dish. Dude, I couldn't believe that kickflip you did.
Oh, thanks, man. Yeah. I just ordered a Tenacious D shirt today.
No shit!
The old one, yeah.
Oh my God. We stumble upon a disciple, tenacious disciple.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.
Have a great one.
There's a spot where they have really good skateboarders and probably the best kick flippers. They all go to this one burger joint I know about. We should probably go check it out just to see if there's some good kick flips there. Top 100 places to kick flip in the US. We're at the Morrison. I don't see any skaters, so I just ordered a burger just to kill some time while we're waiting for skaters to show up. But skaters still haven't shown up, so just to kill time, I got a little dessert. I'm sure they'll be here any minute now. And there you have it. A magical day of searching for the perfect kickflip. Now, we didn't see a lot of skaters, but you know what? Who cares? This is my day. It's my episode of Do a Kickflip.